Top 5 Best Multimeter Under $100. Digital Multimeter Electrical Test Kit, Non-Contact Voltage Tester, Receptacle Tester, Carrying Case and Batteries. Klein Tools MM320KIT in just $49.97. This Klein Tools MM320KIT is the perfect tool for testing electrical systems. It includes a digital multimeter that measures up to 600 volts AC, DC voltage, 10 ADC current, and 2 ohm resistance. The NCVT3P voltage tester is dual range to detect from 12 to 1000 volts AC or 70 to 1000 volts AC. The bright flashlight illuminates the work area and can be used independent of the voltage tester. The ET45 features AC voltages from 28 volts to 240 volts AC, DC voltages from 32 volts to 330 volts and a test lead holder. Also included is a RT210 receptacle tester to detect the most common wiring problems. This kit is complete with a carrying case and batteries, making it the perfect all-in-one electrical testing tool. Astro AI Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 counts voltmeter ohmmeter auto ranging tester. Accurately measures voltage, current, resistance, diodes, continuity, duty cycle, capacitance, temperature for automotive in just $27.19. Versatile digital multimeter. Accurately measures AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, continuity and temperature. Thoughtful design. Support data hold, large LCD backlit screen, auto shut-off and hanging magnet, and kickstand make the process of measurements easier. Professional level is reflected in some features include auto ranging capability, and true RMS for measuring both AC current and voltage. Suitable for many occasions, this multimeter is a golden partner to help to troubleshoot a variety of automotive and household electrical problems safely and accurately. Ensure safety. Double ceramic fuse is anti-burn and protects from overloading, and it will be more secure and reliable. F400 mA, 600 volts and F10A, 600 volts explosion-proof ceramic fuse tubes can protect the multimeter effectively. Additional tips. Combined with Amazon's superior delivery, we provide lifetime technical support. Note: please take off the cap before using the test leads. KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 counts voltmeter auto ranging fast accurately measures voltage, current, amp, resistance, diodes, continuity, duty cycle, capacitance, temperature for automotive in just $27.59. KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 counts voltmeter auto ranging is a must-have tool for any job under $27.59. This multimeter has a wide application and measures up to 600 volts AC, DC voltage, 10 AAC DC current and 60 mOhms resistance, with features like live sound, light alarm and a built-in flashlight. It also has non-contact voltage testing, min, max, average and data retention. For added safety, it is IEC rated Cat 3 1000 volts, Cat IV 600 volts, CE and RoHS certified. KaiWeets also provides 36-month after-sales service, lifetime technical support and great customer service. Get the KAIWEETS digital multimeter today and be ready to tackle your next task. Astro AI Multimeter 2000 counts digital multimeter with DC/AC voltmeter and ohm-volt amp tester. Measures voltage, current, resistance. Tests live wire. Continuity in just $11.99. $11.99 per count. Introducing Astro AI Multimeter 2000 counts digital multimeter, available for just $11.99. This versatile digital multimeter is the perfect tool to accurately measure AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode. It includes a backlit LCD display with 3.5 digits, 1999 count, 0.6 inches for easy readability. The multimeter is equipped with double ceramic fuse for safety against overload, and a silicone cover to prevent electric shocks and damage. The data hold and continuity buzzer features make it easy to use. A set of test leads, battery, and a user manual are also included. Keep your home and car electrical systems functioning properly and safely with the Astro AI Multimeter 2000 counts digital multimeter. Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Kit with digital multimeter, non-contact voltage tester and electrical outlet tester, leads and batteries in just $39.97. Introducing the Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Kit, a versatile and affordable all-in-one solution perfect for a variety of electrical test and measurement applications. This kit includes a manual ranging digital multimeter, non-contact voltage tester, and receptacle tester. The multimeter features measurement up to 600 volts AC, DC voltage, 10 ADC current and 2 mOhms resistance. The non-contact voltage tester offers a 50 to 1000 volts AC power detection range, and a bright green LED indicates when voltage is detected. The receptacle tester can identify open ground, open hot, open neutral, and hot ground reversed. All of this for only $39.97, making it an ideal choice for any toolbox.